Sup, fuckers? I found the Pop-its from hell. SOS, signal snaps, loud report. Great product for multiple uses such as locating devices, camp fun, deer drives, general pranks, hazing nuisance wildlife, hazing nuisance adults. So, bam. Tannerite. It's got 20 pieces of Tannerite. What does it say? It said the amount which was in each one. Nope. It doesn't say the amount which is in each one. What the fuck did I do with that one I just had? God damn it. Right. Here we go. Oh my god. You whore. Here's what they look like. Little tube of Tannerite with no fuse, and this is what they sound like. Decent little pop. Pretty sweet. Might get some more of them.